Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
xiōng,
the bond of brotherhood. Let's learn. Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
凶
Has 5 strokes.
竖横折横撇竖弯钩兄
Means older brother or a respectful term for male peers. Use it in words like
兄弟
brothers, brotherhood, or
师兄
senior male apprentice. Now that you know how to write,
兄
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Section 2. Common words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
兄长
Respectful term for older brother,
兄妹
brother and sister,
堂兄
cousin, older male, paternal side. Section 3. Example sentences. Example sentences.
我的兄长很照顾我
My older brother takes good care of me.
我们是兄弟不分彼此
We are brothers. We share everything. Section 4. Fun fact. Did you know the character
兄
combines
口
and?
儿
In ancient times, it symbolized the role of an older brother as the one who speaks or guides younger siblings. Today, it's also used to show respect, like addressing an older friend as
老兄
buddy or bro. Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. What does 兄弟 mean? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.